Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Odd Rod Garage. Everyone on YouTube says you just need to start filming and put it up there, no matter how bad it is. So this one's going to be bad. It's my first one ever. And I have a dog visiting me right now. For years I've been building cars and trucks for friends, customers, for myself. And we've had a lot of fun doing it. We've built some pretty crazy stuff. I'm going to show you in this very first film a few of the cars that we've done in the past. My brothers and I have done them together. I have a couple of friends that have come and helped. I have an employee, Tommy Lake. Awesome dude. You'll meet him in the future videos. For years, my friends have been telling me I need to start a YouTube channel. Well, finally, I've decided to go ahead and do that. Who knows? Maybe something will come of it. Hopefully you enjoy what we do. We built some pretty cool stuff. It's not the most expensive stuff in the world. I don't have $1 million shop. We do it out of the backyard. I used to have a hot rod shop, and we had a lot of fun doing that too. But things happened, and now I don't. I work for a regular company, and I build cars in the afternoons and evenings. I do have a guy who works part-time with me, and at this point in time, he does probably 75%, if not more, of the stuff that we do as far as the actual labor is concerned. I do the designing, and I come in and help when I can. But the goal here is for me to get back to what is my original love, and that is building cars. I enjoy building cars so much that most of the time after I build a car for myself, I drive it maybe 100 miles and I get rid of it because I get bored with driving them, but I love the creative process of building the car. Not a very good artist, but I do all my own renderings and we lay out what we're going to do on the car. And so in these films that we're going to be doing, I will show you that I'm going to design the car. I'll give you a general idea as to what it's going to be like. One difference between what we do and what the other guys on their YouTube channels do is we're going to be giving a lot of these cars away. We're going to give the cars away to those who subscribe to my channel. So this announcement is to tell you that no matter what, April 1st, April Fool's Day, I'm going to give away a 1969 C10. It is not going to be a high dollar truck. It is going to be a nice running and driving truck. It's going to be a long bed that was shortened into a short bed. It's going to have a static drop on it. It's going to have a 5-lug disc brake conversion. And we're going to do an LS with a 4L60. The interior is going to look pretty decent, but it's going to be a rat rod. The truck I'm giving away is going to be a fun, drivable truck. If you win the truck, you can do whatever you want to it with paint. But I am over the paint thing. I did paint and body for a number of years, and I'm just tired of it. So the rat rod scene is still around us, and that's what we're going to build. We are going to build a rat rod truck. The only thing you need to do to be able to win this truck, or to have the potential to win this truck, is you have to subscribe to my channel. And to get subscribers, I'm going to start giving cars away. And I'm not just going to give one car away or one truck away. I'm going to give a truck away about every 3 to 6 months. We're going to film as we build the truck. We're going to take your input as to how you guys would like to see the trucks or cars done. But the first one we're doing, we're giving away on April Fool's Day, because you would have to be a fool to give away a 69 C10. Well, I am your fool. So, if we have 10 subscribers on April 1st, one of those 10 people are going to get this truck. If I have 100,000 subscribers on April 1st, one of those subscribers is going to get the truck. We are going to announce the truck giveaway on our weekly video update, and you will have 24 hours to respond and tell us that you saw my video. We're even going to do different renderings for you as a subscriber to be able to come in and vote and tell us which way you would like to have a certain car or truck done. Now that's not on the first one. I've already decided what I'm doing. I have a number of cars in my backyard which we will be giving away. And over time, as we purchase and build other things, we're going to give them away. Because that's what I like to do. I like to build the cars. I like to create the car. Then I get really bored with it. So I'll drive it around for a couple weeks and I'll give it away on the internet. I just recently finished a truck for a friend of mine. We put a 5.3 LS and a manual 5-speed transmission into a 1983 Mazda B2000. And it took a lot of work to get that engine and transmission in there. But I have videos of that truck that we just finished for my friend. But I have pictures of other cars we've done. So, hold on tight. We're going to have a good time. Check us out on the Outright Garage. Tell your friends about us. Subscribe. Watch my videos. And if you're lucky, win one of the trucks.
Shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.